Hi, I'm gonna show you is a easy way to connect your Rode wireless go to the computer. As I saw, I couldn't use a regular cable that comes with a microphone. It's this one, so the black one. So I had to get this one that is short like that, TRS to TRRS patch cable, SS67. And I also got the MISO adapter, audio adapter that you see like that. This is this cable that is in blue. So you're gonna see one USB connection that go to the computer, and you're gonna see this audio adapter. The it is gonna be with the gray one. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you're gonna take your adapter, connect the black part to the adapter, then the gray connection is gonna go to the MISO adapter. When you finish with this, you connect to the computer. I'm gonna show you how. So you have your, so now it's connected with my Wonderbook Connect. But the input that is, you have to be careful. You have to connect the microphone to USB audio device. So if you want to run a check, just go to the arrow and you can do the start check. So if I start talking, hello, 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 hello. So I do the stop check. Hola, 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 hola. So when I put play, it should work. Hola, 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 hola.
You can also check with sound recorder. You go to menu and check sound recorder, and you're gonna record your voice, and it's gonna work like this.
Hello, 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 hello. On my record. Any other stuff. So hello, 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 hello. So if you see, it's very clean. Well, you can also work with Adobe Audition and other programs, audio programs. But if you are an influencer or working with tutorials and any kind of class or education and everything, this is a way to you can connect your Rode to wireless to the computer.